Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth in an instant pot. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, like beef marrow or chicken feet, for a rich flavor. Don't forget aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. A crucial step is adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract valuable nutrients from the bones. Finally, ensure you have enough water to cover everything. Now, let's get cooking. Carefully place all your bones and vegetables into the Instant Pot liner. Pour in enough water to cover all the ingredients, making sure to leave about 1 inch of space from the top. This prevents overfilling. Secure the lid firmly, ensuring the sealing valve is set to sealing. Then, set your Instant Pot to high pressure for a minimum of 2 hours or up to 4 hours for a deeper flavor. Once the cooking cycle is complete, it's time for the next crucial step. Allow the Instant Pot to naturally release its pressure for at least 20 minutes. This helps to settle the broth and ensures safety. Only open the lid once the float valve has dropped completely. Then, carefully strain your beautiful golden broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all the solids. You are left with pure, nourishing liquid. Now that you have your incredible homemade bone broth, proper storage is key. First, ensure the broth cools completely to room temperature before transferring it. You can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual portions in glass jars or ice cube trays. It will last for several months. Enjoy your nourishing bone broth as a comforting drink, or incorporate it into your favorite soups and stews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.